Hello.
Hi, can I speak to Mr.
Yes. You can speak English?
I am speaking English.
Yeah, you speak English. Malay.
Yeah, I understand a little bit of Malay. Sikit.
Kan, sikit kan.
You sell satay?
Satay. Yes.
Can you explain to me what's satay? What is satay?
Oh, satay, food. A food with batang. You know, batang, we call batang.
Batang?
You know, satay?
Yeah, satay, yeah. What is satay?
Satay, food.
I know it's food, but what is batang?
Dekat satay tu batang. We letak batang. Malaysia orang, Malaysia people cakap lidi. Talk lidi.
Ladies, girls.
Ladies, yes.
What type of food is it? Is it fish?
Susah pula ni. Satay, my satay.
Yes.
Beef and chicken and lidah. Beef.
Yes.
Cow.
Cow, okay. Beef, yeah.
Cow, lidah.
What is lidah?
You know lembu.
Cow, yeah.
Lembu makan, eat.
Eat, okay.
Lidah.
Oh, you mean grass?
Sorry?
Grass.
No. Lidah. Lidah. Okay lah, abaikan lah. Sekarang nak order ke tak nak?
So how much do you charge for your cow satay?
Okay. How much? Memang tahulah. One satay. 50 cent. 50 cent. Yes.
For cow.
0.50.
That's very cheap.
Big.
How much is the lidah?
Lidah 0.60. The price.
How much is that?
60 cent.
Okay, but I still want to know what batang is. Batang.
Batang, satay we letak batang. We call lidi. Like from you know tree, pokok.
A tree, yeah, wood.
Yeah. Lidi. Malaysia cakap lidi.
Lidi.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you eat satay with rice?
You know, kacang.
Kacang.
And then put some water. Kacang. Kuah kacang.
What is kuah kacang?
Tanya aku pula kuah kacang. Peanut. You know peanut?
Peanuts, yeah. Like peanut butter.
No, tak, bukan. No. Peanut water.
Peanut what?
Peanut water.
Peanut water.
Peanut water.
Okay. Okay, I got a friend here who can speak Malay.
Okay, bagi.
Speak to him, yeah, Zambuga.
Ya. Hello. Sebenarnya kawan saya nak order sate